Um, Backgrounder again on Stade Laguna. They're coming off a game against JPV. Result is 4-0 in favor of JPV, and they are currently with 1 point in the table right now. First, I'll just open it up. Coach Mando, expectations going into the game against Kano on Sunday?
Actually, we are trying to practice hard so that we can also have a first win by tomorrow, because we have already 2 losses and 1 draw.
Fish?
We're practicing more on defending this past few weeks. Kasi doon nga kami nagkakaproblema. Tapos, more physical games tomorrow. Kasi aggressive nga yung Daya. Tapos kami. Tapos, transitions from defense, offense, and vice versa.
We weren't there, parang most of us weren't there at the game. What happened last time versus what is?
Maybe the defense is disorganized and they have lapses.
Is this more of a season concern for all your games so far this season? Sa defense nito?
Hindi naman.
May positive ba kayo nakuha from that game? May positives po ba kayo nakuha from that game na pwede madala for this game against?
Yeah, we correct all the mistakes for tomorrow's game.
Coach, how's the fitness, overall fitness of the team? Anyone who will
The fitness level is okay. The problem in the previous games where the defense is were disorganized, and then the attacking side were not excluded from our practice.
Coach, with regards to of course, I believe the morale is not that high, but how are you coping up, and what is the mentality of the team in terms of how to attack the game tomorrow against?
Yeah, this week we had practiced the combination play, because since we are smaller than the opponents, we are perfecting the combination play, 1 touch, 2 touches.
Thank you, Coach.
Things like to ask Fish.
Fitch, overall, how's the yung locker room aura or yung moral ng team? You just came from a tough loss.
Yeah, well, we're looking for first win, kasi para tumaas yung moral namin as a team, as individual. Kasi yun lang talaga yung gusto namin makuha. First win, tapos the rest tatabawan na namin.
You think the closed door games are affecting as well, even though wala na, kumbaga, the fans are a bit barred from watching your games, and it affects overall your style of play?
Well, siguro hindi naman. Pero nakakadagdag talaga ng energy yung kapag may nag-cheer para sa inyo. Kasi nasanay kami from previous league na wala namang nag-cheer sa amin. Most of the time, yung relatives lang. So, pero yun, nakakadagdag talaga ng energy kapag kami nag-cheer sa amin.
Which your thoughts on Kaya FC? Parang as a team, what do you expect from them coming in? And based on what you have seen from the past few games na napanood mo sila napanood how they work?
For sure, they're going to come after us, going to get the 3 points. Ayun, and there will be aggressive game tomorrow.
Alright guys, thank you very much.